Welcome to Pro Wheelhouse, your destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the story of one of the most iconic cars in Indian history, the Hindustan Ambassador Classic. Known as the King of Indian Roads, the Ambassador was more than just a car, it was a symbol of status, government power, and nostalgia. Origins, from Morris Oxford to Indian icon. The Hindustan Ambassador traces its roots back to the Morris Oxford Series 3, a British car produced by Morris Motors. In 1958, Hindustan Motors began manufacturing it in India, adapting it to local conditions. While the design remained largely unchanged for decades, its reliability and ruggedness made it a favorite across the country. The Ambassador was one of the first cars to be fully made in India, making it a pioneer in the Indian auto industry. Design and features, built to last. The Ambassador Classic stood out with its curvy, bulky body, wide seats, and solid metal frame. It was designed for comfort and durability, especially on rough Indian roads. The car was often seen in white, especially as a government vehicle, but it also came in various other colors. Inside, it was simple and functional, with large bench seats and a spacious interior, ideal for long-distance travel. Under the hood, the classic models were powered by a variety of engines over the years, from petrol to diesel. It wasn't built for speed, but for endurance. The Ambassador's simplicity made it easy to repair, a big plus in rural areas where garages were scarce. Cultural significance, more than just a car. For decades, the Ambassador was the preferred car for politicians, bureaucrats, and even taxi drivers. It became a symbol of power and prestige. No Indian road trip or movie from the 70s to the 90s was complete without an Ambassador. Its presence on Indian roads was so dominant that it became a part of the country's cultural identity. The final chapter, end of an era. Production of the Ambassador ended in 2014 after more than 5 decades. Changing tastes, lack of modern features, and increasing competition finally brought its long run to a close. Yet, it remains alive in the hearts of many enthusiasts and collectors. Conclusion: a true Indian classic. The Hindustan Ambassador Classic wasn't just a car, it was an emotion, a piece of India's past that still commands respect today. Thanks for watching Pro Wheelhouse. Subscribe for more stories of legendary wheels from around the world.